All right, welcome to Goddard Adventure. We are here in Elijah Clark State Park with my sister and her family, and we are going on an adventure today, right?
Yeah.
You guys excited?
Yeah. I said no.
All right, this is the start of the adventure here. Let's see if we can make it in. Ah!
Oh no, you failed. Epic fail.
Oh man. So once we check in, what are we thinking?
I'm kind of thinking we look for some type of trail, and if we can get up that trail, go in a little bit, and then maybe go for a walk in that trail or something like that.
That sounds good. I hope we can find some mud.
Me too. This car needs some.
Yeah, well.
Oh,
This looks cool.
We can celebrate though. We made it to the top, so we can sing the song. We made it to the top. We made it to the top. We didn't get stuck. We made it to the top. Same. I guess this might be another 4runner versus Pilot video. Those ones do pretty good on YouTube. The algorithm likey.
Seriously? You know you're supposed to use the restroom before we get in the car.
I did. I went to the restroom before we went in the car. I still have.
Are we having a pee emergency?
Oh boy. Alright, the best thing about having boys is you can just go anywhere to pee.
Dude, it's a beautiful day. So how do you like your 4runner so far?
I'm loving it, man. As much as I'd like a lift and bigger tires, it's nice being stock because you don't have to worry about anything breaking.
That's true. And they got the stock 4runner tuned pretty well. It's got definitely enough clearance to be dangerous, that's for sure.
Got some nice sliders, Falcon Wild Peak AT3s, and then the Frenzy roof rack, which is real nice.
Yeah, I'm 99% sure we're going with the AT3s as well.
Yeah, they're good tires. They ride really well on the road, not a lot of road noise, and as far as off-road, I've had zero issues with them. They pull me everywhere I need to go, and for the price, they're $300 or $400 cheaper than most of your name brand Toyos or grapplers and stuff like that. So,
yeah, it's really sad, but tire manufacturers, they need to take this into account. These days, consumers are looking at the sidewall because that's what you see is the sidewall. So the Wild Peaks there, they have a pretty nice sidewall. A lot of tires have really lame sidewalls.
These days, for sure.
I will say I've got the industry leading sidewall though.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yokohamas, right?
Yeah.
They're extremely awesome sidewalls.
Yeah. They're crazy. All right.
Let's move on.
Let's see where the road takes us. Ian, if you're watching this, you can take a look at my radio holder. It's a magnet mount that I just clip it to. It works pretty well too. Though I did like your bungee cable holder. Got a little bit of a hill climb. We are going wherever Uncle Mark fancies. But this looks cool, doesn't it? Do you think it's gonna head over to the lake?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
What?
The dreaded gates, but there's no sign.
It's open.
It's locked.
We're going back to camp.
feel us doing it.
That's cool. It's a cool little path.
Oh! R.I.P. paint. Rest in peace.
Can we get out up here?
Yeah.
I kind of want to stretch my legs.
Eli would like to stretch his legs if we get a good spot.
There's a toilet out here. I should have waited to go pee.
Gross. Why do people do this? I hate people.
Guys, there's a toilet right here.
Oh, come on.
Ah,
There's a toilet, look. It's an old piece of
yeah, humanity, can you guys please stop just
littering
dumping
on the
stuff?
ground.
Like, there are literally landfills that are free to go dump stuff at. Like,
Yep.
what is the issue?
Yeah, why? Yeah, you done people.
Guys, there's people fishing, so don't be super, super loud, but we can explore, okay?
What's it look like, Eli? Well,
Wood.
let's strap it up.
Absolutely.
One day we got to bring the boat out here. The boats.
You're definitely gonna hit these islands and stuff in springtime.
Let's see. If I take it just right, this could be the perfect thumbnail. It's got the 4runner in the front, the superior beast.
No, not superior by any means.
Mom, look at this spear.
It's superior.
The low range is nice, but I honestly would kind of like the clearance of yours.
You can fix that. That's just money.
Fix it pretty easily.
That's just money.
Just money.
All right, this might have been a stroke of luck here, finding a wildlife management area.
Yeah. Those are always fun.
Well,
They're free.
It's public land.
It's public free adventure spots.
The water you get
No. Go up one more, Mark.
No, I didn't realize it was one more. My bad.
the water you get otter.
Ooh. Got a little bit of a entrance barrier here.
Whoa. Poor Saphira back there. She's like scurrying around.
She still is having a great time though.
What about this right here, man? Look.
We'll see. Let's scout it out to see if Mark is a man enough to move the rock.
See if I can move the rock. Ready, set.
Oh, snap.
There's nothing even in this.
Well, this stop was worth it, and we found out there's more road to go, so we're gonna load up some firewood here on the Prinsu rack. Make it do some work for the first time in its life. So we were walking back up to the car to head on and get on with our journey, and I found this really cool artifact here. Feels like it's made out of bone or marble or something, but if anybody knows what it is, let me know. I was showing Eleni that little artifact that I found, which she's about to smash with a rock.
Smash with a rock.
And walked upon Eli and Eleni
It's a pretty good
trying
one.
to make
Just a little
arrowheads
stick on that one
or
spot.
something. I don't know, they're smashing
Yeah.
rocks every here. What do you pick up here, Mark? Trying to scratch your paint a little bit more?
Where'd that come from? Wow. Where did that come from? Just stuck in there real good.
You ran it over, but it was this other side had even more noise. Yeah, you're fine. Like,
No,
it won't move.
I don't know. It's like it's saying, oh, we can't go on a 4-low. It might be the angle that I'm at. I'm not sure. But it's not a big deal.
You got to figure it out, man. You got to learn. You got to learn the system.
I don't think it's supposed to.
We're gonna be going that way for lunch soon. Are you starting to get hungry?
Yes, we need to eat lunch right now. My favorite one was Evan stepping in the fire ants.
Oh no, Isaac. You have dark humor. Really, it's a cool little biome.
I wonder if it's native. Like if this
Yeah,
is the native thing, or if
definitely.
people plant them like this
No.
to harvest them.
Well,
You know
I don't know
what
if it's native to this specific
This is
spot,
native.
but in South Carolina, there are definitely, it's called the Piedmont.
the native pine forest or something.
Yeah.
I think we reached the water crossing.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh.
I think so.
Oh.
It's a really cool spot. It's a really, really random, but really, really cool spot.
Here we go.
Turn on his radio.
Maybe. All right, should we put four-wheel drive on or not?
Nah, I think we're okay.
Force up here, you're
Nice.
on my stick.
Oh.
Oh man, he definitely can't make it over
No, we'll
that.
clear it. We've got a winch.
They're relying on brute strength.
How are we gonna
I want to try.
Left.
Just drive over it.
No. I'd high center all day. You can probably drive around it.
I wanna winch it.
I think winching would be fun.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be fun.
Let me back up and I'll get on this hill right here. Is your car gonna be strong enough, Aaron?
My car could be. Is my winch gonna be strong enough?
Yeah, is the winch gonna be strong?
Oh yeah, it's gonna cut through it if it doesn't
I think
move.
It's gonna rip it open, yeah.
That's why I tried to put it in a good area.
Yes.
And Alani was looking at me really weird for pulling over so far, but it was.
No, I know why. I know why you needed to pull it to the side.
All right.
Aaron, if
Wait,
you wanted
wait,
to,
wait,
look,
wait,
look,
wait.
You can move it over here.
We have a rigging opportunity. I don't know why I'm so excited.
Put it on the tree.
No, I've got my straps and I've got my little pulley thing.
On
Yeah.
this, is it long enough?
All right, so this is our recovery kit. I just recently added more foam to the seal, and it's been up there a long time and it's rained a lot. We are about to see if it's full of water. Yay!
Not full of water.
It's not
Yay.
full of water, but wait.
Where's your pulley?
Where did my pulleys go? I think I know where they are. Look at these, Mark.
Snatch rings or what?
No, these are, I forget exactly what they call them, but they're basically, yeah, like a snatch ring,
I thought it was.
but you combine it with a soft shackle to make it work.
All right, so we've got the rope going from the winch to the pulley thing on the tree, and then to the tree. So it's gonna spin freely on that snatch ring thing.
The strap around the tree.
Yeah, it's stretching a lot. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. It's working. It's working. That's perfect. That's such a cool tool. I love tools.
Awesome.
Yes. High five.
Success.
Woo.
And whenever you practice things like this, it can help you for recovery later, because I am clearly a novice at this point,
But
now we got
it's great.
And so one thing I did note, and I know this about our winch, it's a smaller winch, so it doesn't have as much line that can come out. We were actually probably further out on line right there than we really should have been. I do have a winch line extension that I could have used though. It just would have taken a little bit more effort, but
Right.
it was still fun. Wow.
This is a really cool area. There's like two like creek looking things like diverging into this underground actually, because it goes right to there.
It's like the beginnings of the George Washington National Forest.
You can see, and then it goes down that way, but it was hidden under the water. That was pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
I just want to make sure you're good.
Okay.
That's a bummer it was so short.
I think it was a nice little road.
It was a
fun.
nice
And
little
guess
road.
what? We're heading back to Eli's stick.
That's true.
Yeah. We have to. All right, here we go, guys.
Woo!
You're running too fast.
Oh, Sophia, that silly girl.
Oh, going down. Oh, into the mud.
such a cool area. Like, I love the ditches, these little creeks. That's what I want running through our property one day, dude. That'd be awesome.
All right, we're looking for Eli's little spiral stick. What'd you think about that, honey?
I like being in the forest. I feel at home in the forest.
Good, Eli. Let me see it.
It's got a
That's
vine
so
wrapped
cool
around
how
it.
the vine grew around it and then it grew into it, huh?
So like segmented like perfectly. It's crazy.
All right, here we are, Elijah Clark State Park. You guys ready to cook up some grub?
No.
What in the world are you guys doing over here?
Making a workout station.
Making a workout station, huh?
Tea house station. Guys, look. Yeah, let's do it. I'm working out. See, that's how I'm working out.
I see you, James.
Here, you know what? Climb the tree.
Okay, this is gonna be dangerous.
Oh, no,
Can you bounce on it? Bounce up and down.
I can bounce. You know what? I'm gonna make it a little high.
How's it looking, City Slicker? I wasn't talking to you, Mark.
Oh, I know. I'm not.
Talking to this little City Slicker that can't get away from her ear pods.
I'm listening
Little-
to my audiobook. Thank
Little
you very much.
City Slicker. How's it looking?
Looking good.
It's supposed to be white cheddar, cracked pepper, and then we cooked some ground lamb to put in it.
Yeah. It smells
Curious to
good.
see how it's gonna taste. Well, food was delicious. White cheddar and lamb. It was good. Now we are heading for our
Next adventure.
next adventure. Exploring some historic buildings.
So this is the Elijah Clark Homestead. It is the buildings, I guess, that were built in the time when this land was originally owned by the Clark family.